Hey, high levelers, Rio Daniel here, and I actually have another new freebie that I'm looking to give out to everybody here, and I want to explain what that is. One of the things that really bothered me, at least as becoming an affiliate of Highlevel and watching my affiliates that sign up under me struggle with Highlevel, is there's not really a checklist, there's not really an action plan to how to get Highlevel set up as quickly and efficiently as possible, what things you really need to look at that are important, or at least better yet, what questions can you ask yourself that can help give you better answers, in turn can lead to better configuration inside of Highlevel. So right now, what I've did is this honestly took me quite a bit of time to get all of this stuff set up here. But what I've done is I've created a 30-day action plan for people, and it's not just for my affiliates. Now, again, if you're one of my affiliates, then you get a little bit of extra. I do have some additional email nurturing campaigns, some other things that I do for you along the way. That's just being my affiliate. And by the way, just a little plug for me. If you haven't signed up, I do have a 30-day trial in the video description below to sign up using my affiliate link. But I'm making this available to everybody because what I want to do is I want to promote Highlevel, and I want to have people be successful with Highlevel. Now, one of the things as people sign up for me, people, of course, they'll sign up and then they'll cancel. Why do you think they cancel? The majority of the people that I see canceling is because they just can't get Highlevel set up fast enough and then get a potential client before Highlevel starts charging them. Because money is an issue with a lot of people, and a lot of people are trying to start a business as cheaply or inexpensively as possible. And I completely understand that, and I want to support that. So what I've done here is I've done this for two specific purposes. One, I want to make sure that people that sign up under my affiliate link are more successful. They have a plan to follow. Again, I have other nurture sequences and things like that really help, and some Zoom calls and things like that help with my affiliates. But if you're not an affiliate of mine, that's fine. I still want to be able to help you out. Because if you've seen my channel, I offer you free snapshots. I offer you a lot of free stuff. So right now, I just wanted you to be successful. That's what I want you to do. So I'm offering this course, and if you sign up for my SaaS Jumpstart course, now I'm not going to go into it just real quick. SaaS Jumpstart is my introductory how to make money with Highlevel course that I offer for free. But what I've done is I've bundled all of my Highlevel snapshots, and I've even bundled this 30-day action plan course in that same community as the other training that I'm offering, just to bundle it all together. So right now, all of it you access through my SaaS Jumpstart community, which if you want to search for it, it is available on GoHighLevel.com if you're familiar with that platform. So right now, what I want to do is show you and help you understand what the 30-day action plan is, how you take advantage of it, and really how is it helpful. Because again, right now, when people start, other than having, let me just back up. There's a lot of affiliates that promise this, and I get that a lot when people are just like, a lot of people switch over to me because they're like, Ray, you're real, give things away. You don't try to sell things to people like a bunch of other affiliates. You're available, whether it be through email or Zoom or something like that, to answer a question, or even through the community. But that's why we like you. And I'm able to at least bring, at least what people say, bring high-level topics down and break them into smaller pieces, allowing you to really understand them, configure them, and then move forward very quickly without having to understand the entire platform. And it's nice, not necessarily to have a checklist, but to have a checklist and then to have other videos. Again, these are videos from my YouTube channel that I've already created that support, or at least allow you to help configure and understand the components that I'm teaching you that you need to do inside of Highlevel to set up both your agency and your sub account, and then get ready to actually do business. Not just do business, but how do you choose what services you want to sell? How do you choose how you want to build your onboarding process? I don't know. Unfortunately, I can't give you A to Z blueprint specifically for your business because I don't understand what you want to offer. All I can do is try to help you understand some of the basic fundamentals, and then allow you to make those choices of what's the best choice for you and what's the best path and how do you onboard people and so forth. All I can do is try to give you a framework. Like I said, a lot of the stuff I give you is not to build 100% of your business, but I'm hoping to maybe get you 50%, maybe even 70, even to 80% of the way there, just using the free stuff that I'm giving you. And then you can finish the remaining 20%. But what that means is you finish that much faster. You finish twice as fast, 3-4 times as fast as you normally would without this course and without this ability for the training that I'm giving you. So this is one of the reasons why I created it, and I spent a lot of time. This took me, honestly, probably, I'm just going to guess somewhere around 60 to 80 hours worth of just dedicated time over the course of a month or two, because again, I can't dedicate all of that time at once. So I've had to spread this out, but I finally got the course at least built, at least able to provide some valuable functionality to you and some resources. So right now, what I want to do is at least show it to you, help people understand that this is available for free. If you have signed up for Highlevel and you are struggling with getting your account set up, getting your business at least up to a point where you know what services you're selling, being able to test funnels and websites that you build to sell those services, and how do you do all of that? This is what I built my course for. How do you do that? What's the process for that? And then giving you some additional, again, this is YouTube training. This isn't personal one-on-one training with me, but this is additional YouTube video training that I've already created on my site through the course of months or years, specifically targeted toward each individual task that I'm giving you to do, which is helping you along the way. And what I've done is just combine all of those resources together into one course that, again, it's free. Just simply join, take a look at it. I hope it helps you out. I really do. Here's my one ask. My one ask that I ask everybody that's watching my videos. Think of me if you're looking to sign up for Highlevel, because this is how I get compensated for Highlevel and continue to be able to grow this channel. But if you're looking to sign up for Highlevel, if you're looking to upgrade to Agency Pro, if you're looking to implement, say, the AI employee, and you're looking to do the unlimited plan for that, all of these type of events I have below. There's links below in my video description that allow you to sign up using my link. And once you sign up, you become an affiliate of mine, regardless of whether you sign up initially, whether you upgrade to Agency Pro, whether you use the AI employee. All of these things make you my affiliate under me and now give you access to additional bonuses and training that I have that I'm not going to go into. But I also have another affiliate support community, which I'll show you here in just a minute, but that I have for people who are my affiliates. And when you start to grow your business, you get stuck and you need some help. I just had a couple of calls yesterday with some of my existing affiliates that are struggling and having some issues. So I sat on a Zoom call with them and helped them troubleshoot a few problems, figure some things out, and be able to ask them the right questions that in turn helps them lead them to the right answers. So anyway, that's what I'm here for. And this is what I want to be able to give you on this particular video. So let's hop in and just let me show you what I've got. Okay, so right now, this is my portal, and what I call it a portal. So this is my community. This is, if you log into any of my training, these are the two communities that I actually have built. One of which is a SaaS Jumpstart community. This is my free community. This is where I teach new people. One of my strategies is don't sign up for Highlevel. If you're looking to start a business, don't sign up for Highlevel trial initially. Don't do that. Take my free course, spend a week going over the free training, because I've got, my course is about 20 plus hours of all the different major things that you can make money at Highlevel really quickly, really easily, without getting into details. Just high level. What are the best things to make money at with Highlevel, and how do you sell them, kind of thing. So take that course first. Once you get a good understanding, then start your trial, because then that gives you the best action plan to actually have to be successful, because now you're not learning Highlevel while the clock is ticking. Hopefully that makes sense. So right now, I want to make sure that you understand Highlevel, you understand what you're looking for, and you can even go through my 30-day action plan course before you even sign up for Highlevel, just to give you a better understanding of what you're doing. I would recommend it. Use my free resources. I'm giving them to you. Use me. So I'm just joking, but by all means, use them if they're useful to you. So the SaaS Jumpstart, again, is my free community where I offer all of my free training. That's how I funnel people in to that. And then this right here is my affiliate support community here. Once you sign up as any one of those affiliates, whether it be initially signing up with Highlevel, upgrading the Agency Pro, or using the AI Employee Unlimited plan, if you use my reference code, and I'll have my reference code on the video, but just reference code is just Ray O'Daniel. I'll make sure it's in the video description too. But all you need to do is once you sign up for that, I get notified through Highlevel that you're an affiliate. Once you sign up, you get all the bonuses I have, and I'm just here to support you. So right now, what I'm going to do is hop into my SaaS Jumpstart. So right now, everybody that logs into my community goes to this home page initially. This is the sort of landing page that everybody goes into, and then you can simply join a group or manage your subscriptions, where I don't really have any subscriptions. There's nothing I have that's paid here. I'm sorry, that is a lie. I have one thing that's paid, I'll show you, but that's just if you want it. But ultimately, I don't have any paid groups or anything like that here. But if you click on the SaaS Jumpstart community and open this up, this right here is where you can sit back and ask questions. I have training in here, and all the stuff that I have is actually under the learning tab. This is a big thing. If you're signing up for me, if you sign up for my free course, whether it be, if you sign up for a free snapshot, then I've got 6 of them, we'll take a look at those here. If you sign up for my 30-day action plan, if you sign up for my SaaS Jumpstart course, any one of those signups will get you into this community. Once you get into this community, please understand, I don't have anything here under courses. There is no courses. I don't like that. I'd much rather keep everybody here under the communities. So I've blocked that out. And yes, if you want to, you can block that out if you have your own communities. So I want people to go through the community tab, because right now, once you click on the learning tab, this right here is where I make all the courses that are for free available to you, where you can sit back and take your time, do whatever. There's no pressure whatsoever for me or anything like that for people that want to join my community. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these, but just right now, this SaaS business models, this is where I'll teach you like the 9 different easiest ways to make money inside of Highlevel are. And I'm not going to go over that here. That was in another video. The one thing I told you I fibbed, or excuse me, lied about earlier, was this cold email outreach snapshot. So if you do want to do prospecting, if you get to the point where you actually have Highlevel, you start doing this, you pull a list, and you want to start doing cold email outreach, I do have a snapshot if you're not an affiliate of mine. Okay, if you're an affiliate of mine, you get this for free. So don't buy it. Okay, because if you go to the affiliate support community, you can download this whole thing absolutely for free. But here in the free group, if you want to join, I do charge $297 for that. And that is just, it's just a way of reducing the amount of time it takes you to build an entire cold email outreach system from potentially days or even weeks down to hours to get this stuff configured. So that's why I built it. If you want to do that, great, but that's all I'm going to say about that. Now, the first thing I want to do, this is my 30-day action plan, really what I want to show you, but another people always love to download my snapshots. Now, I have a lot of training on my YouTube channel where I go over snapshots, how to sell to different people, different industries, or even different services inside of Highlevel. And I'm trying to expand and continue to grow those snapshots and then build them up higher as I get feedback from people here saying, hey, the snapshot is great, but it would be great if we had this. It would be great if we had that. So I'm trying to add on to those as I get those comments. And of course, as time permits, because again, I still have to run a business. And at the same point, I'm trying to offer this for free to help you guys out as well. But right now, if you take a look here, this high-level snapshot course, it does provide training for each one of these, and training really pretty much comes from the YouTube channel. But if you're looking to sell reputation management, I just updated this a couple of weeks ago. And right now, this has some cool new features in it, just regarding how you sell reputation management. And it has a lot of stuff in there. Watch the video I have on YouTube for that. If you're looking to service HVAC clients, perfect. If you're looking to sell them, it's called text back. This is not really that popular anymore because now that the voice AI agent really has taken over and become popular. But if you're interested, that does have a lot of great resources in it. But if you're also looking to do auto detailing, then you can sit back and auto detailers. This is a snapshot available for them. If you're doing landscaping or even a real estate agent, I've got snapshots for all of those. And again, the goal isn't to have a business in a box. It's really to get you 50, 60, 70, hopefully maybe even 80% of the way toward building a business. But just how do you do it very quickly and just using somebody's snapshot, be able to create it, move forward, and then get your business built even that much faster. So I am looking to continue to grow these, and I will be adding at least probably 2 or 3 more over the next month because I do have some videos planned where I'm looking to include a couple of additional snapshots for you, but watch out for my YouTube channel for that. I will have training, but let's go back and take a look here at the additional coursework that I've got. So this 30-day action plan, if you take a look at it here. So this right here is what I've got. And again, it's free to you. So right now there's an intro. If you look at the intro right here, this pretty much gets you into just, here's some of the basic resources that you have. It's a real quick video. If you want to, this is a Google document that I have. It's just a written document for those people that like to see things in writing. I'm just going to go, this is like a lot of the stuff that's already in the training, but it just gives you a document where you can sit back and follow, or if you want to jump around, I'm just giving you that as well. Because this 30-day outline was really my outline, how I built the course initially. But this right here is just your introduction. And then from here, what we've got is, we've got all of these other modules, getting your agency account set up, finishing your agency account, getting your business sub account set up, finishing your sub account. Now, one of the things I did is that I'm not trying to sit back and pound you with 6 or 8 hours worth of work every single time, every single day to get this business up and going. I'm really giving this, you to be able to do this at your own pace. But what I do have, each one of these modules are roughly somewhere between 1 to 3 hours long of work that you need to do every day. And I'm trying to take a very slow and steady approach, specifically for those people that may not be very technically skilled. You're maybe just starting out. So maybe an hour or 3 hours, that's all you can take like every day. Otherwise your mind starts going numb. You start drooling a bit and just not even thinking about what you're doing. But each day has 1 to 3 hours worth of work that you need to get set up and configured, work on. If you want to be an overachiever and do all of these in a day, that's completely up to you. But my goal is breaking this up every single day to make it easier for you to absorb the information, to learn it, and how to configure it without having to just, drink it out of a fire hose or something like that, where you've got so much information so quickly that sometimes people's brain shuts down. So this is what I've got. Again, creating your service plans. What are you selling? What services are you looking to selling, and how much you want to price them for? That's another big one that I see a lot of my affiliates struggle with. They get signed up and then they turn to me and they're like, Ray, what do I sell? Do I sell reputation management? Do I sell AI? Do I sell some of these other things? What do I build and what should I price it at? I go over all that here, how to start creating some of your funnels and websites to actually start selling those services once you get configured. Now, keep in mind, some of the training differs specifically here in this area right here, based upon the plan that you have. If you have the starter plan, then there's only certain things that you can do at the starter plan that if you had the Agency Pro plan, you could do more things. So each plan you have is a little bit different. So this training, it needs to be a little bit adaptive based upon what plan that you have. But I've tried to be as best I could. We're saying if you've got this plan, then this is what you need to do and how you need to do it. But if you're at the Agency Pro plan, a lot of the stuff is automated, automatically happens for you and saves you a lot more time. But again, it costs you a little bit more money. So you've always got that trade-off of time versus money. And that's always the case. So I always recommend, just me personally, if you're just getting started, start out with the starter plan, get you a couple of clients. Once you get 2 clients, which is what you can do, then you upgrade to Agency Pro right away. That's my goal. Now, if you already have clients, if you already have any kind of a digital business where you're starting out with this and you have potential clients that you're looking to bring on right away, I do not recommend starter plan. Right now, I'm not trying to sell you as an affiliate. I'm not trying to sell you the biggest and best plan. That's not what I'm looking to do. But I'm saying if you already have clients and you can get clients pretty quickly here, just go ahead to the Agency Pro level, because there are things at the Agency Pro level that you need to set up that take you additional time and may need to have you reconfigure your business based upon the starter plan to the Agency Pro plan. So I hope that's helpful. So here are a few other things: how to create your website to start doing business. How do you test your websites? I go over all that to make sure that your process works, so you don't start putting something live and then have it fail, and then clients get frustrated and then they leave. So here's week 2, onboarding. How do you get your AI set up if you're going to be using AI? How do you choose your niche and gather leads? How do you start getting leads? How do you start developing a marketing strategy? So here's all the things that I've got. And again, these are 16 lessons that I have for you. That's taking me quite a bit of time to actually just put all this resources together, put the training together for you to help you understand. But I'm trying to help you be successful. I really want you to, if you're just getting started with Highlevel and you don't feel like you have your agency or your sub-account set up or your business set up correctly, please go through this course. Go through it and it'll outline all the things that you should be careful for. And here's the thing that's crazy. It even goes over some of your agency settings and some of your sub-account settings for like languages, time zones, because not everybody's from America that has Highlevel. I have a lot of my affiliates that are overseas, Australia, several from the UK, and other countries like that require different time zones, different settings, different languages. And how do you set that stuff up in order for your clients to be successful when you log them in that they're not seeing English? And now you have to go back and change it all. How do you set all that stuff up right from the beginning to make it successful? So all of this stuff is what I give you inside of the training. Again, it's taking me some time, both for my experience as an affiliate, for being able to sit back and see what my affiliates are struggling with, to sit back to understand how you should get your business set up, or at least what I consider to be good best practices. So I really hope you enjoy the course. I really hope this helps and adds value to you. And again, it's free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Again, please remember my one ask from earlier, that you just remember me if you're looking to upgrade, because again, this is how I get compensated through Highlevel. You do find the upgrade links and the sign up links in the description below. Please feel free to take everything I've got for free. I'm going to continue to build more and more free resources. My goal is really to be one of the best affiliates inside of Highlevel that offers the most free resources to you, because I'm not trying to sell you anything. Now, I did explain to you that I'm selling my cold email outreach system. That's one of the products that I sell. I don't really push that. If that's something that you need, it's just there as a resource, because I know when I built my cold email outreach system, I didn't have anything like that. It took me probably 2 to 3 weeks to go through, build something, test it, have it break, and say, damn, now I got to fix this thing again, test it, do something different, do something, and keep updating this to get to the point where now all of the workflows, all the opportunities, and all the things that happen around there are just automated, and they work best on how they're all integrated together. So if you did learn something from here, I would appreciate you just give a like button. Leave me a comment if you want something, or if you've downloaded something for free on my site and you want to see something else added, please leave a comment below. I would just appreciate your feedback here, as well as if you're looking to sign up for Highlevel, I do have a 30-day link in the description below. I have a lot of great videos that come out every single week. Hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get all of my updates every single week. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.